Alright, what's going on my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host Terry and welcome to the channel by the dip. Alright guys, and in today's video, I just want to give you a little update of my Fidelity account. And I had to go in here, take a screenshot of the stocks that I own, and then do a little whiteout here of my account numbers and stuff to keep everything confidential. But we're going to get into today what I have. And I did some changes, man. I did some crazy changes. And I'm just going to get into basically, I'm not going to get into everything that I sold. But I sold basically a lot of stocks that I was up. A lot of stocks that I was up like 10, 20%. Heck, some of them I was almost up even like 60 and 80%. Actually, I sold Ford stock at around like 80%, almost 100% profit from when I bought it back in like April, I think it was. So yeah, pretty crazy stuff. So did a little rearranging of funds. I think I said, I sold Ford, I sold Tronox, and I sold a couple other stocks. I'm just drawing a blank right now. Oh, I sold Ally Bank. So what did I purchase in the meantime? What's my move here? Well, let's go down the list. This is a brand new one for me. This is my first, this is huge, man. My first ever share of Apple purchased ever, yes. So of course I went in and bought one share today at $123.24. And what happens? It drops. Of course it does. Every time you go in, it just never fails. Every time you go in to buy a stock, you're so excited, and then boom, here it drops. $2.01. So of course it does. Why wouldn't it drop? So anyway, I don't care. Like I said, Apple, I'm not looking to buy it today and sell it tomorrow. This is something that I've been wanting to do for a while. So I'm actually happy to be a proud owner of my first share of Apple. And I'm going to keep purchasing into Apple. Hopefully like, every month to get a share or so, throw 50, 100 bucks in it and let it keep adding up. You can do the fractional shares and just keep investing into Apple for the next 5, 10 years. And hopefully we can get back to $300, $400 a share again, or even $500 a share again. So that's my goal on this. This is like a stock that I plan on holding for a long time. So this is like my 5, 10 year stock right here, Apple. This is the 5, 10 year plan. And we're going to watch this account grow if you come back to this video over, every months and years as we get into it. See how my share count keeps growing. The next stock is actually not a new stock. It's actually one that I've had in this account, and I'm going to keep it this way. I have Iron Mountain. I have 4 shares at an average price of $25.56 a share. And right now, I am up $7.84, which was a profit of around like 3%, I think it is. I'm up, sorry, what am I looking at here, guys? I'm up 7%, up $7. So yeah, not bad, up 7% on those 4 shares. And I just kind of was buying those because of the dividend. They have like, I did a video on Iron Mountain, and I can't remember off the top of my head, but I think Iron Mountain actually has like a really high interest rate of dividends, like 8% or something. So definitely go check that out, man. If you're looking to get a good company that has a high dividend, Iron Mountain is a good one. So be keeping an eye on these and possibly buying some more shares of Iron Mountain. Now here it is, guys. Here's the main one of this account, as you can see. LCA, man, that's right, LCA. I have 130 shares. I wanted to bring this to you guys. So I have 130 shares in my Fidelity account setting. And right now, I am only up total $5.74, up 0.32%. But like I said, I'm not looking to sell on $13. For me, I'm hoping this stock would get around $25 to $30 as my target point. Like I said, if it gets close to 20, we'll think about it. Gets 25, we're going to start selling off some. And 30, may just unload them all. But we'll see how things go. And here's one that I know you guys probably all know this stock. And yes, you can only get this on, well, you can't get this on Robinhood, but you can get it on Fidelity. So I sold some shares and went ahead and bought 100 shares because I didn't care at my price that I'm buying in, because I know this is something that I'm looking to hold on to for the next 2-5 years at least. And I'm going to keep acquiring more shares and hoping that this stock keeps growing. That's right, Planet 13 Holdings. Planet 13, as you know, is a medical stock, if you know what I'm saying. They have a location out in Vegas. Financial Education Jeremy has tons of this stock. He's done multiple videos on it. So I don't think I really need to explain why I purchased this stock. I know he's done all his research, and I've watched all his videos that he's done on it. And I'm a believer in this company. And so as you can see here, I bought 100 shares of Planet 13 at $3.36 a share. And right now I'm up $11.46. I'm already up 3.5%, guys. I'm up 3.4% on my total already. I've only had this stock for 1 day, and I'm up 3.4% on it. So that's pretty impressive. Like I said, I'm not looking to sell this stock if it goes up a little bit here and there. I'm actually looking to keep buying in, just like I'm planning on doing Apple with this stock. Because I think this stock, Jeremy said he could see this stock being $10, $15 stock in the future. So I definitely want to keep purchasing it if it's down in the $3 range and even under $5. I mean, why not keep purchasing it? And my last stock here is the one I'm kind of doing the worst on right now. I bought this one a few months back when there was a lot of EV hype, and that is Solo. And I have 45 shares at an average cost of $3.54 a share. And right now I'm down $36.85, which is 23%. Now, that's what made, like, $36 is like, oh, that's nothing. But then you hear 23%, it's like, ooh, that's what hurts. So, let's see here. Overall, in my current account, I'm down $13.76. Like I said, guys, I still have cash to purchase other stocks. And I took a lot of profits already off the table, and I bought back into other stocks. So that's what happened. I was actually up. My profit margin was up like $200 or $300, if not $400, $500, somewhere in $200 to $500 range. My profit was on this Fidelity account, but I decided to go in, cash out all my profit stocks, and get in here to purchase other stocks as of yesterday and today. So that's why it's showing like I'm down a little bit negative right now, because I took profit off the table and invested it back into other companies that I feel is going to be good for my long-term growth, which is Apple, Planet 13. So that's my two big ones for long-term. And LCA I'm definitely excited about as well. LCA is definitely more of a short-term play within like the next, I don't know, couple months, 6 months, year. I think that's going to be more of a short-term play, because I think once it jumps up, people's going to sell off, and I'm looking to sell off with them maybe, and then hopefully buy back in if it drops back down. So that's kind of the play. And, you know, they have they're going to have quarterly earnings like crazy with their online gaming. So I'm definitely going to keep an eye on everything. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to bring you an update video of my Fidelity account and where I'm at. And just super excited I got my first share of Apple. So yeah, that is pretty much that is the most expensive stock that I have ever purchased in my stock purchasing history, which for me, to spend $120 some on one share is kind of crazy. I'm usually spending $120, and I can get anywhere from 10 to 50 shares of the normal stock that I purchase. So yeah, I'm very excited to get Apple in my portfolio and hoping to get this portfolio to grow. So all right, guys, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up, join the thumbs up nation. So all right, guys, I will catch you in the next one. And remember, buy the dip.